In this video, we'll go over some important tags in a Dolby Vision XML file. For better usability, we recommend using a text or XML editor, or you can simply open the XML in your web browser. Let's start with the version tag, which indicates which Dolby Vision metadata version was used. Currently, there are 3 versions of Dolby Vision metadata. Metadata version 5.10 refers to Dolby Vision version 4 and provides support for home and cinema targets as well as L11 metadata. Metadata version 4.02 also refers to Dolby Vision version 4 and supports home targets. It is the current de facto standard for delivering content in Dolby Vision. Metadata version 2.05 refers to Dolby Vision version 2.9. The revision history contains information about the application that was used to create the metadata, and lists any changes that were made to the metadata. In this example, we can see that the metadata was originally exported from DaVinci Resolve, and the frame rate tag was then changed to 24 using Metafy. Canvas aspect ratio describes the aspect ratio of the rendered file. For all Dolby Vision home deliveries, this is 1.78. The image aspect ratio describes the active image area of the content. In this example, we would expect most, or even all shots to be letterboxed with an aspect ratio of 1:2. The edit rate indicates the frame rate of the metadata, and must match the frame rate of the associated video file. The color encoding tag describes the basic file parameters, such as the color encoding primaries of the rendered files accompanying the metadata. Level 6 metadata serves as a placeholder for static HDR10 metadata, which contains maximum frame average light level, max fall, and maximum content light level, max CLL. Some applications populate these metadata values when exporting a Dolby Vision IMF. When exporting a Dolby Vision XML file from a timeline, L6 is recorded with a value of 0 or not listed at all, depending on the tool used. Level 0 global metadata lists the mastering display information along with the 100, 600, and 1000 nit target displays. Those are present in all Dolby Vision version 4 metadata for backward compatibility purposes. Level 254 lists the Dolby Vision version and the version of the backward compatibility algorithm used. Level 1 metadata, stored as calculated 2.9 values, is written for each shot in the analyzed timeline. When using Dolby Vision version 4, L1 is stored in the Dolby Vision metadata as backwards compatible CM version 2.9 plus L3 offset values that restore the original version 4 level 1 and level 3 values. Color correctors display the original measured values from L1 and L3 as CM version 4 level 1 values in the user interface. Next, there is level 2 metadata for the fixed targets of 1000, 600, and 100 nits. This metadata is automatically computed for backwards compatibility with CM version 2.9. Level 3 metadata stores the level 1 offset values, plus user-defined metadata for the mid-tone offset. If present, level 5 metadata describes the shot-based aspect ratio, which is different from the global aspect ratio. Level 8 lists all creatively adjusted primary and secondary trims for each target set during the trim pass. Level 9 metadata lists the mastering display primaries and white point for each shot. This metadata cannot be customized by the user. A frame tag followed by an offset is written when the analysis detects a cross-dissolve or keyframe animated trims. All frames of the dissolve or keyframe animation are recorded as frame-by-frame offset metadata. For more information on Dolby Vision metadata layers, see the knowledge article linked below the video.